This customization blocks access to all tabs and screens in Item Maintenance and Item Inquiry except for the Main tab. Only members of a specific security role will be permitted access to other tabs and screens. This customization applies to all company codes in Sage, and it is not company specific. To demonstrate, we'll start with a user that does not have permissions to access the other tabs in Item Inquiry. Note that there is a More button disabled here on the right-hand corner. We can select any item. The More button has disappeared. It is not available, which would normally display vendor and customer cost information, among other things. The tabs are visible, but they are not available to this user. Clicking on them will not display the tabs. To give this user permission to the other tabs and screens through the buttons in Item Inquiry or Maintenance, you would assign the user the Item Full role, and you do that in User Maintenance. So an administrator would have to do this. Select or enter the user login. Add all companies and choose the role Item Full in this case. Accept. Again, this is not company specific. It applies to all companies. Let's open Item Inquiry again and select an item. The More button is now visible and available, and we can access any of the other tabs now.